Well-known TikTok influencer, with almost 7 million followers, has come under fire for posting a video claiming that Brian Laundrie is still alive and well. She believes that things were placed at the scene so that people would believe it is Brian. Many share the same opinion as Tana, as no DNA analysis was performed on the remains yet. Another factor that people keep pointing out is that it was his parents that stumbled upon items belonging to Laundrie on the one and only day they both went out to search. Brian was supposedly identified by a dental match. However, many question that too, since it is said that his uncle is a dentist. On the same day that Tana posted the video, the Northport Police Department denied false reports that the DNA of the remains found last week did not match Laundrie. In a statement posted on Twitter, they said, the identity of the remains found at the Carlton Reserve on 20 October was confirmed by comparison to known dental records of Brian Laundrie. It is not clear which news sources Tana is referring to when she says that some have been reporting the remains are not those of Laundrie.